Guys, I'm gonna go, this is my first video. I'm going outside to get a puppy. So here we go. Gotta go through a back door. Let's see, so here we are, outside. There's somewhere over there. Manny? There's the mom, and then here's all her little pups. That's where I'm gonna go to. There she is. Okay. Look at all these little munchkins. You have to go in there. Ow! These are all of them. I'm gonna go over here. My feet burn. There's one. Oh, they're all over me. Okay, they like. I don't know which one to bring in. Oh God, Jesus! I'm gonna bring in this little tiny one right there. It's all alone. Even though like this one right here is my favorite. So that's the end of this video. Goodbye.